that's a second video for this week, right? These thing, a good spatula, a good tong, and a good whisker for your sauces, and a thermometer. There are lots of expensive thermometers, but it's good one. Not the best one, but a good one. It's a very not too expensive one, but it's a good thermometer for checking your food and the temperature of your food. And a good brush will do for you. A good brush for the barbecue. And you must be using a skillet or a good pan for your sauces. When you're doing a barbecue, you need good sauces also, right? So what I'm going to explain you need a good spatula also. I have few good spatula for kitchen area, but what I did, bought this spatula and this spatula from market. These are good two spatulas. So what I did, I bought this two spatula from the area which I was working. It's very close to my place, the shop where I bought my items. I found these two spatulas. It can go for a temperature around 300 in oven or in barbecue. So you can see that they can bend over, right? It's a very good spatula for baking and barbecuing and making sauces. Even you can use this for eggs. See that? A good bending spatula, a small spatula for day-to-day use. As you know, too many videos on spatula, and you have seen many videos of mine showing you my own spatula. That's my favorite spatula, right? I'm using every day. I love this spatula. Cool. And basically one more thing, a brush. Everyone needs, every person who is doing a barbecue need a brush, for marination and other things which when you do grilling, right? Grilling and barbecuing, all method of using a good amount of heat to cook your food in a good temperature. So you need some liquid on it to make it more flavorful and more choosable. So a good brush, and two kind of spatula, right? And a good thermometer. There are lots of thermometer online, you can buy it. And there are three kind of knife which I'm using right now when I'm doing a barbecue or some other things. If you see my barbecue knives, they are a little bit different. They are big. Seriously, they are big, but they are beautiful. And I must say that I love these knives. That's Tojiro DP, that's Skin, and that's Bismarck. Right, these are the three big knives which I use on day to day. Not day to day, but if I'm going for a barbecue, right, it's a big knife. I'm not joking around, it's a big knife. It's a shun knife, it's a Kai knife, right? And that's Bismarck. It's a Bismarck knife, and it's a good barbecue knife. If you're talking about barbecue knife, I got three kind of barbecue knife. They're big, they're massive, and yes, they are sexy. I got these three beautiful knives with me. This knife is the biggest knife in my kit. That's Tojiro DP, bought it around 2000 knife from King of Knife. See, these are my big knife in my kit, and these are very good knife. For barbecue and grilling, I use this knife. These knife are bought it from Club Chef, and king of knife. And hope you lovely people have a great day, and I will be back soon with good videos and more good videos. That's a promise from my side. Thank you for from my side and Chef and Knife.